pessimist complains about the wind. The optimist expects it to change. But the leader adjusts the sails.
Good leaders create a warm and happy environment where everyone feels valued and respected. They empower everyone and lead them to greater heights.
I'm Shravya Shanbhog.
I am Shreyas Chinti. We take pride in getting this opportunity to welcome all present here on the special occasion of the Invest Teachers Ceremony of the academic year 2026-27.
With great honor, we welcome today's chief guest, Srimati Reena Raghavendra ma'am, for today's event. We are also pleased to welcome our Chairman Chaitanya sir, Director Joyita ma'am, and Principal Sadat sir. We also welcome all our dear coordinators, teachers, parents, and our fellow students for today's Invest Teachers Ceremony.
Today is the day we students, along with our teachers, celebrate the victory of our winners of the Student Council elections.
Today, we all have gathered here to acknowledge the budding young leaders and to repose the trust in them.
So to start this auspicious day on a positive note, I request Reena ma'am, Joyita ma'am, Chaitanya sir and Sadat sir to seek the blessings of Bharat Mata.
Thank you for joining us.
The personality who makes sure that every student's potential is nurtured for a brighter future. The one who is determined in fostering excellence and inspiring greatness in each one of us. Let's welcome our director Joyita ma'am onto the stage to share a few words with us.
My dear chosen leaders, my respected parents, my lovely children, chief guest, chairman sir, principal, and all my colleagues seated here. It's a wonderful moment. Children are changing day by day. I could see that my children have become much more smarter than children how it should be or would be at that time. They are very aware now, and I want to congratulate all the social science department and the organizing committee to make this transparency and honest election happen. It took time, it took a lot of toll on the participants and people, children who have actually wanted to become leaders to choose from because all were good. But yes, as you know that every time we have to work to choose the best, and not only we, your friends have chosen you. Leaders cannot dominate. First thing, now things have changed. So leaders are who can build the culture which will be aligned to the mission and vision of the organization, of your life, of your righteousness. So I believe that you have chosen mindfully your leaders, and your leaders know now why are they chosen. So this why part they have to work on. I am not telling that your leaders are perfect because you have chosen them. You would have chosen for various reasons. But this is the first stepping stone for them where they will start working on themselves. I really thank you all for choosing the leaders for you who will be not only taking care of the discipline outside, but they will make you understand how the discipline inside is so important. It's not about the fear. It's the inner sense which will tell you what to do, what not to do. And I'm sure that all of us, we know very well what is wrong in us within. If these leaders can understand, they have to also work on themselves, then the work is 90% done. I also congratulate all the parents who have put so much effort for being there to felicitate today your children as school leaders. It's definitely a wonderful moment. They may forget that what has happened today, but till the last day of ours as parents and teachers, we remember that we came here, we joined hands together, we applaud for this success of their leadership. I know that all the teachers are also very proud of these leaders and all the children who have chosen the best for them. I really thank you for giving me this opportunity. I see God's blessings for this particular moment, what we are going to start with loads of expectation, belief, and trust. Thank you. Let us all be at the path of serving each other. Thank you so much. Congratulations to each and everyone.
Thank you, Joita ma'am, for your inspiring words and your unwavering dedication to our school community. Music is not just a sound, it's an emotion, it's an expression, and a heartbeat of the soul. Now we present to you a celebration filled with rhythm, harmony, and a hope for humanity. With a huge round of applause, let's welcome the students of Class 10C for a musical performance.
Place in your heart, and I know that it is love. This place much brighter than tomorrow. If you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. This place, and there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a better space to make a better in the world. Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving. Try, we shall see. There's a place we cannot feel. We don't dare stop existing and start living. Wasteland on me, if not enough for a throwing. Make a better world. A better world, heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. And the dream we were conceived in a joyful face, and the world we once believed in will shine again in grace. Then why do we keep strangling light? This earth crucified soul. It is plain to see this one is heavenly. Because birds fly so high, and our spirits never die. In my heart, I feel you are all my brothers. In the world with no fear, together we'll cry happy tears. Nations turn their swords into plowshares. We'll get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space to make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. 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 You and for me.
That was mesmerizing, filled with passion and rhythm.
A true guiding force, an inspiration, a person whose presence alone encourages us to aim higher and do better. It is indeed my honor to invite our visionary chairman to address the gathering. With a huge round of applause, let's welcome Chaitanya sir onto the stage.
It's a beautiful day, really. Beautiful by weather and beautiful by the sentiment of the day. I was a school captain. Incidentally, a parent there was a deputy captain. We both stood for election when we were in 10th standard. Today is a parent joining along. So, such a coincidence. I would like to congratulate you all for becoming leaders. Leadership is a privilege, it's a responsibility, and above all, it's a muscle you need not necessarily be born with, but you shall develop it. If I look at myself in the position of a leader 10 years ago, 5 years ago, today, I think I haven't remained the same. That means I have worked on my muscle, leadership muscle, and I've developed it. It's a beautiful opportunity you've got to do that now. As much as it feels good to be a leader, you understand the intricate details of how to make a decision with time. And that's a learning in itself. Because decision making many a times is not as simple as mathematics. There are too many perspectives you take it on table. You walk between the thin line of what is very right and right. Overall, what is good for all. And this is something like cycling you do again and again and again, and then you learn. And at a very tender age of 13, 14, 15, you got this opportunity. So I wish you all the very best. To be a good family member, you need to be a leader. To be an entrepreneur, you need to be a leader. To run an organization, you need to be a leader. So you have started your journey. I wish you all the very best for your future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for those valuable and motivating words.
Now here comes the part we have all been desperately waiting for.
After the effective campaigning for the last few days, our glorious leaders are here with pride, ready to take up their responsibilities. It is really a very proud moment for them and for their parents, teachers, and friends to witness this initiation into leadership. Let's welcome them with a great round of applause for the felicitation.
I request our distinguished chief guest, Srimati Reena ma'am, Joyita ma'am and Sadat sir to do the honor of felicitating the leaders. First up, we have school prefect boys Achyut Sudarshan Haritsa. School prefect girls Sanvi Padiker.
School co-captain boys Chalukya Pratap. School co-captain girls Samruddhi P. Come on, make some noise for them.
Next up, we have sports captain boys Himagna Visamsetti. Please clap for them, guys.
Sports co-captain boys Bautik D. Patel. Sports co-captain girls Lekha Dhananjay.
Next up, Vayu House captain boys Ansh V. Girgare. Vayu House captain girls Dishita N. Arey. Please give them a huge round of applause.
Vayu House co-captain boys Sudhanva M. Rao.
Now we have Jala House captain boys Piyush Mirajkar. Jala House captain girls Shishta P. Shetty.
Jala House co-captain boys Prishank Suresh. Come on, cheer them up. House Co-Captain Girls, Sanvi Pottar.
Please give them a huge round of applause. Next up, we have Agni House Captain Boys, Vihan R. Agni House Captain Girls, Kiara M. Jain.
Agni House Co-Captain Boys, Mohit S.
I can't hear you all. Clap for them, please.
Agni House Co-Captain Girls, Arna K. Shenoy.
Next up, we have Banu House Captain Boys, Gaurav M. Banu House Captain Girls, Yoshita PSG.
Banu House Co-Captain Girls, Shrestha Nagashri Sesetti.
First up, we have School Prefect Boys, Achyut Sudarshan Haritsa, receiving the school flag. Next up, we have Sports Captain Co-Captain Girls, Raksha L, Lekha Dhananjay, receiving the sports flag. Next up, we have Vayu House Captain Boys, Anshvi Girgave, receiving the Vayu flag. Next up, we have Jala House Captain Girls, Shishta P. Shetty, receiving the Jala flag. Agni House Captain Boys, Vihan R, receiving the Agni flag. Banu House Captain Girls, Yoshita PSG, receiving the Banu flag.
Come on, cheer them up one last time for this year.
An oath executed effectively creates value for everything and everyone we come in contact with. It reiterates us on our roles and responsibilities, implying greater care than usual in the performance of one's duty.
I request Sadat sir to render the oath to our emerging leaders.
the newly elected Student Council of Chitrakuta School do solemnly pledge to abide by the rules and regulations that govern our school. We shall be honest and true to the core values that our school stands for, and shall faithfully represent the interest of all students. We will uphold and promote the vision and mission of our school and carry out our responsibilities with courage and conviction. We will serve as positive role models and leaders and uphold the integrity of Chitrakuta School at all times. We will always honor the faith and trust placed in us and work selflessly for the prestige and glory of our school. So, help us God.
Now I request all of you to stand up for the school song.
We are a school of culture, a school of change. We have many traditions that have full range, and we'll share them with you so that you can be too part of our great world. You're like me and I'm like you, but we all are different too. And together we can choose to make a better world. We are at Chitrakuta for a space of time. Then we move on and travel to different climes. But our friendships remain, they become our real gain for a better world. You're like me and I'm like you, but we all are different too. And together we can choose to make a better world. We will fly to the top, it's the thing to do. I will do my best and I'll still help you. And together we'll climb and we'll grow all the time in a helping world. You're like me and I'm like you, but we all are different too. And together we can choose to make a better world, to make a better world.
The catalysts for change, the champions of tomorrow. Yes, that's right, our student leaders. With a huge round of applause, let's welcome our elected leaders onto the stage as they set a clear vision with a few words to start their new journey.
I am Achut Sudarshan Haritsa, standing before you as the school captain for the year 26-27. I am honored to be entrusted with this responsibility of serving the school this year. I would like to thank Chairman Chaitanya sir, Director Joyita ma'am, Principal Sadat sir, all the teachers and the election committee of our school for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Most importantly, I would like to thank my parents and all of you present here who have supported me throughout my entire journey. Thank you.
I am Sanvi Badigar and I am the school prefect girls for this academic year. Firstly, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Chairman Chaitanya Sir, Director Joyita Ma'am, Principal Sadat Sir, the coordinators Leena Ma'am and Sumi Ma'am, and all the teachers for their unwavering support throughout this election process. A big thank you to our parents who have supported us and encouraged us at every phase. I would also like to thank to all of you for placing your trust in me. Today, I have been entrusted with a title and responsibility. I accept this with great gratitude and humility. Thank you so much.
Hello, everybody. I am Chalukya Pratap, and I am the co-school captain for Chitrakuta. It's funny how things change so quickly. One day you're just a student, and the next day people are saying, "Dude, you're a leader now." I have to say that I'm truly grateful to all the people sitting here. Director Joyita Ma'am, Chairman Chaitanya Sir, Principal Sadat Sir, the school management, and of course, all of you voters sitting here. Thank you for supporting me to come to this stage here. And again, thank you for listening to me.
I'm Samriddhi, the co-captain of Chitrakuta School 2026 and 2027. Thank you all for listening to me during the campaigning and supporting me. Thank you, Director Joyita Ma'am, Principal Sadat Sir, Coordinator Sumi Ma'am, and the Election Commission along with my class teachers who had supported me and helped me. Thank you, my parents, for helping me.
Good morning to one and all present here. I'm Himagna Visamsetti from class 9, elected as the sports captain for the year 2026 and 2027. First and foremost, I'd like to thank the chairman Chaitanya sir, Director Joyita ma'am, Principal Sadat sir, the school management, and the election committee for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Most importantly, I'd like to thank my parents and my dear friends who have supported me and encouraged me throughout. So together, let's build a sporting team and make sports inclusive for all. Thank you.
I am Bodhi and I'm co-sports captain. So first I will thank election committee and Principal Sadat sir to conduct fair elections and give us opportunities. Then I will thank teachers for guiding us and trusting us. Then I will thank my friends to voting for me and having belief in me. Then I will thank my parents to encouraging me and being my strength. Together we will lead. Thank you.
I am Lekha Dhananjay and I'm honored to stand before you as a sports co-captain. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Chairman Chaitanya sir, Director Joyita ma'am, and our Principal Sadat sir. I thank the election committee and my teachers for placing their trust in me and giving me this incredible opportunity. To the whole student committee, I promise to fully contribute by hard work and making our school the best sports day ever. And finally, I would like to thank my parents for supporting me in all my processes. Thank you.
I'm Anshas Girgave and I'm truly honored to be elected as the Warrior House captain. I would like to sincerely thank our respected Chairman Chaitanya sir, Director Joyita ma'am, Principal Sadat sir, the election committee, and all the coordinators, teachers, and my dear friends for believing in me and giving me such a wonderful opportunity. This achievement would not have been possible without your belief in me and your support. Thank you.
I am Dishita Nare and I'm truly honored to stand before you as your Vayu House captain. I would like to thank our Chairman Chaitanya sir, Director Joyita ma'am, Principal Sadat sir, and the election committee for believing the potential in me. And to my teachers, parents, and all my amazing friends, I thank you for your endless support and thank you so much for the trust.
My
name is Sudhanva M. Sandal, standing as the Vayu House co-captain of this year. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to Chairman Chaitanya sir, Director Joyita ma'am, and Sadat sir, Principal Sadat sir. I would also like to express my gratitude to the election committee, my class teachers, and most importantly, my parents. Thank you.
I, Piyush Mirajkar, am accepting the position of Jala Captain Boys. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our Chairman Chaitanya sir, Director Joyita ma'am, Principal Sadat sir, our coordinator Ms. Sumi ma'am and Leena ma'am, and also the election committee. I would like to thank my proud father Mr. Praveen Kumar R and my lovely mother Mrs. Vidya MM. And most importantly, I would like to thank each and every Jala student sitting here and my beloved voters. Today, I might be standing here as your captain, but our victory tomorrow will be written by all of us. So people of Jala, never forget that failure does not course in our veins.
I'm Shishta, accepting the position of Jala House Captain Girls. First of all, I would like to thank our ever-joyful Joyita ma'am, Evergreen Chairman Chaitanya sir, and our beloved Principal Sadat sir. And also to the Election Commission who worked so hard and had their belief in me. I would like to thank my class teachers and all my subject teachers for letting me miss classes for practice and for other election reasons. And I would love to thank my students and all my voters who believed and put their faith in me. And I will promise that I will never disappoint you. And to my doctor parents, very proud doctor parents and my beloved sister who has come this early in the morning, I would like to thank you for always supporting me. Thank you.
Today we proved that we won. Tomorrow we proved that it was not just luck. Good morning everyone, I'm Rishang from class 9C and I've received the post Jala House co-captain. So I really enjoyed the election process. I learned new things. I would like to thank the chairman, director, principal and our chief guest for honoring us. I would like to thank the election committee and all the coordinators and teachers involved in it. And importantly, I would like to thank all the students for supporting me. I proudly accept my post as the Jala House co-captain boys, and I promise to fulfill my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.
My name is Sanvi Podar. Standing here as the Jala co-captain girls is a moment of pride and honor. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our chairman Chaitanya sir, director Joyita ma'am, principal Sadat sir, the dedicated election committee, my fellow friends and to all my teachers for trusting in me and giving me this wonderful opportunity. I would also like to thank my parents for encouraging me throughout this journey. To my schoolmates who voted for me, thank you for believing in me. And for those who didn't, I promise that I learn your trust as well. So, the election might have got over, but my commitment to serve has just begun. Thank you.
I am Vihana from class 9B and I am the Agni House captain. To start with, this journey was not easy. Many people have supported me, so I sincerely thank the school management, Chairman Chaitanya sir, Director Joyita ma'am, Principal Sadat sir, my class teachers, coordinators and all of you who have voted for me. I thank my parents for always supporting me in this journey. Thank you.
I'm Kiara M. Jain, the Agni House captain. I would like to express my gratitude towards Chairman Chaitanya sir, Director Joyita ma'am, Principal Sadat sir, respected coordinators Sumi ma'am and Leena ma'am who believed in me, my respected teachers who trust me, and my parents and my sister who always stood next to me and supported me. Also, a special mention to all of my friends. They have helped me throughout this amazing journey, from my first speech to my last campaign. A short message to all of my Agni friends. Let's reignite the spark and restart a new journey. People tell that victory will never come to Agni. Let's prove them right. Victory will never come to Agni, but Agni will go to victory. Thank you.
I'm Mohit S. and I'm the Agni co-captain. It was, though long, it was a wonderful journey. I would like to thank Chairman Chaitanya sir, Director Joyita ma'am, Principal Sadat sir, my teachers and all the coordinators for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I would also like to thank my teachers, friends and my parents for supporting me in every step. Thank you.
My name is Arna and I am the Agni House co-captain girls. It has been real great honor to be a part of this journey. I would like to thank my chairman Chaitanya sir, Director Joyita ma'am and Principal Sadat sir. Also, I would like to thank the dignitaries over here. I would like to thank the election committee. Mainly, I would like to thank my parents and my brother who supported me throughout this process. Thank you, everyone.
I am Gauravam and I'm honored to stand before you today as the newly elected Banu House captain. Firstly, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our chairman Chaitanya sir, Director Joyita ma'am, Principal Sadat sir, election committee members, coordinators and teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity. A special thank you to my parents for their constant support and belief in me. Finally, to all the voters and my friends, thank you for putting your trust in me. I promise to work hard, listen to your ideas, and lead Banu House to the best of my abilities. Thank you very much.
I am the Banu House captain, Yoshita PSD. Firstly, I would like to thank my mentors who were like the planets, giving way to an exciting new journey. As promised, I would be the sky, a sky where each star can glow. And you guys are the stars who make me shine brighter and brighter each day. A special note of thanks to Chairman Chaitanya sir, Director Joyita ma'am, Principal Sadat sir, Election Committee Mustafa sir, Komala ma'am and Rekha ma'am. I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to my parents and my friends who are my greatest supporters and my strength. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
I know you're tired of hearing so many speeches, but so I'll be quick. First of all, I would like to thank everybody over here who have supported us through all of our journey. I would like to thank our chairman Chaitanya sir, Director Joyita ma'am, and Principal Sadat sir. I would also like to thank the election committee, my parents, and you all for voting for me. Even if I didn't win, I know I can represent Banu. I'll still hold the name of the co-captain. Thank you, everybody.
Let's once again show our appreciation with a huge round of applause for our exceptional student leaders.
A matter of great pride and honor to welcome our esteemed chief guest for today's occasion, Srimati Reena Raghavendra ma'am. A distinguished officer of the Karnataka Police Department, Madam joined the service as the Deputy Superintendent of Police in September 2017 and currently serves as the Assistant Commissioner of Police in the Whitefield Subdivision. An alumna of Mount Carmel College and a gold medalist in public administration, Reena ma'am has consistently demonstrated exceptional leadership, courage and commitment in her service. Her remarkable achievements include being honored with the Ditta Mahila Award 2021 by BBMP, tracing and solving numerous missing and POXO cases, cracking major fake marks card rackets and busting interstate drug peddling networks. She has also conducted over 130 raids against human trafficking, rescuing more than 600 victims. Ma'am has been associated with significant investigations, including major NIA operations and the Rameshwaram Cafe blast case. Her unwavering stand against crimes involving women, children, narcotics, and wildlife protection reflects her dedication to justice and public welfare. In recognition of her exemplary service, she was honored with the Karnataka Chief Minister's Medal in 2024. A true embodiment of courage, compassion, and integrity. Srimati Reena ma'am continues to inspire countless individuals through her service to society. Please join me in extending a warm and hearty welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Srimati Reena Raghavendra ma'am, with a huge round of applause.
I have a very close connection with this school because when my daughter was joined for M1, that is the time, M2, she studied here from M1. When she was in M2, I went for my training. I think the chairman and the madam knows this, how supportive the school was. So this school is one of the very rare schools in Bangalore because before I could get my daughter admitted, I had done research on many schools for 6 months. Almost 6 months, I personally used to go to all the schools, see what they instill values in children, how well they equip the children to face the real world. So in all those parameters, I felt this school stands apart. And till date, my daughter continues in the same school, though I have access to many schools in Bangalore. And I must say, the teachers here, I think they don't just focus on academic. They also see that a child is also doing good apart from academic. The way they conduct the PTM I see, they assess the child at all levels. And today in this ceremony, investiture, what I can see the leaders who are chosen, who are elected by you guys, I think you have chosen them, elected them wisely. Yes or no? Yes. This is the first step where the democracy, India is called as a democratic country. Do you know why? It is because of the procedure what you people have done today. The democratic process is what you people elect your leader amongst you people by screening them. Do they have that leadership qualities? And you say, yes, they have, and that is why they are here. Yes? So, leaders are not born, leaders are made. Everyone are leaders. We all are leaders, but with different titles. So, once you are chosen as a leader, it comes with greater responsibilities. Lord Acton, since I'm a student of political thinker, we had that I'm a specialization in political science and public administration. So Lord Acton says, with great power comes with great responsibilities. Yes. The more higher, the more the power, the more the position, the more responsibilities. And more than responsibilities, it is you walk what you say. You cannot preach one and practice another. Because today, you have many followers, many people who admires you, who watches how wisely you take decisions, how you face the challenge, how you inspire them. So you have many eyes on you. But that does not make that you have always have to be perfect, right? Leaders are not the one who are perfect always. We are not in the journey of perfectionism. A leader is the one who makes mistakes, who learns from it, and also teaches his or her people, her followers, or her who are there as your subordinates, how to be right even when things goes wrong, how to rectify it, correct it, and move on. So since today I come from a law enforcement agencies, I have various issues which I can share, but with the paucity of time, let me stick on to few things. First thing is, no strangers can become your friend. Yes, no strangers, whether it is online or whether it is virtual, can never make friends. Does your parents have any virtual friends? No. We meet them physically, we know them, right? We know who they are, what they do, then we become friends. So there is nothing called friendship online. So never go by that. And no, any person would ask a favor or help from a person who's younger to them. So remember that when somebody who you do not know, don't trust them, because trust is the most precious thing today, is the most luxurious thing. So never trust anyone easily. People always say, even in schools, your parents, even to me, it was said that be positive always, right? Always be positive. Yes, always be positive when it comes to your goals and purpose. But when it comes to life, situations, issues, making new friends, talking to unknown people, always be negative. Start with the negativity. Ask questions. You know, it is always when you person who dares to ask many questions, the criminals are scared to exploit them. You know, whom the criminals like? Who's their favorite? Want to know? People who are submissive, very quiet, soft, kind, overly polite. No, criminals like them because they can be easily manipulated, misguided, exploited. So there's nothing wrong to raise your voice when you feel it is wrong. When something is not going right, question them, report it, inform to your parents, inform to your teachers. If you're shy, you don't have to be shy because the person who is doing wrong is not you. You're not the wrongdoer. So there is no point to be shy or scared. I would say that it is always better to be bold than to be always pretty and soft. Right? Be bold and beautiful, be daring and handsome. I know it is a little contrary, but it is always right. It is sometimes, it is required the boldness, not submissiveness. And do not confuse with obedience and submissiveness. Obedience is following the rules which society has put, which the schools have put. Being submissive doesn't mean that you have to say yes to everyone, yes to everything. It is okay to say no. And it is okay to feel not okay. Always have an open communication with your parents. And I also would say to the parents here, they say that if love is the first gift, discipline is the second gift. But nothing over should be done. Either it is discipline or love. When excess love can become poison. Excess of anything can become poison. Know what your children are doing. Sometimes the best of the best children, academically best children, can end up not handling the failures effectively. Because in most of the schools, as parents, we teach our children how to be successful, how to achieve success, how to end up with good career, job. But we fail to tell how to handle failures, what to do when something goes wrong, when breakdown happens, right? When heartbreak happens. Okay? So, parents have to open up their channel of communication to children as friends up to certain age, then little bit of control, know what they're doing, because any child who commits any crime below 18 years, even the law says we do not call them as criminals. We call them children in conflict with law. Why? Because the child will not be able to judge what is right or wrong up to 18 years. So there is no point in blaming children. It is the failure of us that we have failed to teach them what is right and wrong. So all the children here, social media is good, but know the limitations of it. Never make friends with unknown, right? Anything is there, your school is there. Open up with your teachers. You have wonderful teachers. You can share with them, share with your parents, okay? And also when you share your secrets, be careful with whom you share. Everyone is not your trusted friend. Got it? So all the best for the future leaders. Take this job. This leadership thing is a lifetime. It's not like when you're in Chitrakuta, this year you're leader. This is something, the lessons which you learn for your life. Keep these things, keep these moments fresh. These are the proud moments, and this is your day. Okay? So make the best of it by inspiring and instilling confidence in others too. Thank you. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity and privilege, I would say, to call me and address this gathering. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your expertise and vision with us. I request all the dignitaries to felicitate our distinguished chief guest. Let's welcome the students of 10th B to set the stage on fire with their talent. Welcome them with a huge round of applause.
मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भर कर जेबों में आशाएं, दिल में है अरमान यही कुछ कर जाएं, कुछ कर जाएं। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे।
नचदी आरज़ू रुक न जरा न तू राह तुझसे रूबरू थोड़ा सा तू रख सबर थोड़ी कर जल्दबाजियां मंजिल पे रख नजर सफर लंबा है ओ शेर की चाल चल रहा बनके तू आग जल रहा सांस में आधी आ लिए खून तेरा उबल रहा ये ज़मानों में शोर है तेरे हाथों में जोर है इम्तिहानों की नोक पे हौसलों से संभल रहा तू है चैंपियन मुट्ठी में है ये जमाना तेरा, लिखे तू एक फसाना तेरा। रोशनी ढूंढे तेरे घर का पता, चांद होना चाहे सिरहाना तेरा। कह रहे रास्ते कभी ना सफर ये हो खत्म, बस तेरे वास्ते ये दिन निकला है। ओ शेर की चाल चल रहा, बनके तू आग जल रहा, सांस में आंधी आ लिए घूम तेरा उबल रहा। ये जमानों में शोर है, तेरे हाथों में जोर है, इम्तिहानों की नोक पे हौसला से संभल रहा।
Come on! Come on, cheer them up. That was for surely remarkable. Now I invite our former leaders Haripreet and Pranati to render the vote of thanks.
I am Pranati Chandrasekhar from class 10B.
I am Haripreet Mithun from class 10C.
And we are the former school prefects here today to deliver the vote of thanks for this ceremony.
Election process isn't just about the upfront nominations, campaigns, and voting. It includes so many hidden processes that demand the hard work, effort, and dedication of each and every individual involved in it. From the election committee to the candidates to the voters, everybody has contributed to this process.
Of course, the process of selecting the candidates, assigning them roles, and finally conducting the elections were not simple tasks. So, we should sincerely thank our school management and the toughly competing candidates who made everything possible.
We would also like to thank Chairman Chaitanya Sir, Principal Sadat Sir, Director Joyita Ma'am, and all the other coordinators and teachers who have made this event as well as the elections possible.
Last but not the least, we cannot forget all of you students who cast your precious votes and gave all these leaders an opportunity to do the best, lead and bring change. This is Pranati and Haripreet signing off. Thank you.